Hi friends, my name is Milan. In this video I will explain you exercise 1.1. Okay, so let's start it with question number 1. First of all, read this question. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. Okay, this is one number line. Okay, that following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. Okay, first question is observe this number line and write the temperature of the places mark on it. Okay, here first of all we have Lahul Spiti, right? Now we need to write the temperature here, right? Here it is like this. Here we have minus 10. Okay, here we have minus 5. Here one line, then Lahul Spiti, then two more line. Okay, now each one line, each one point shows one integer. Okay, here we have minus 5, here we have minus 10. Okay, so after minus 5 we have minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 and minus 10. So at the point of Lahul Spiti we have temperature minus 8. Okay, we need to write the integer numbers. Okay, like this we have here Lahul Spiti, here two more dots, here minus 10, here minus 5. So here minus 6, minus 7, then minus 8 and minus 9. So at this place temperature is minus 8. Okay, then for Srinagar it is like this. Here 0, one line, second line Srinagar, two more line, then minus 5. So again here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. So Srinagar have temperature minus 2 degrees Celsius. Okay, for Simla it is already written here 5, right? Then for the OT, here we have 10. Okay, then here we have 15. Then 1, 2, 3 and this OT. So here we have 10. So write down the integer number after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is 14, right? OT have temperature 14. Okay, and then at last of Bangalore. Okay, here we have 20, here we have 25. Okay, one line, second line for Bangalore and two more line. So again write down the integer. So after 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So temperature of Bangalore is 22. Okay, temperature of Bangalore is 22. Okay, then question number 2. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? Okay, hottest and coldest place. Now if we move on the right hand side in number line, then our number becomes greater. Okay, so rightmost place have the hottest temperature. Okay, that means highest temperature. Now rightmost we have Bangalore. Okay, so what is the temperature of Bangalore? Right now we find it is 22, right? And the coldest place. Now if we move on the left hand side of number line, then we can get a small number. Okay, so for coldest place, that means temperature is very small. So at the leftmost we have Lahul Spiti, right? And temperature of Lahul Spiti, recently we find it minus 6, minus 7 and minus 8. Okay, temperature of Lahul Spiti is minus 8 and temperature of Bangalore is 22. Okay, now what we need to find? We need to find the temperature difference. Okay, difference means we need to do subtraction process. Okay, so what is the rule for the difference? Highest number minus smallest number. Okay, highest number 22, then this negative sign is for the difference, and second number minus 8, so minus 8 itself it is a negative number, so we need to write in the bracket. Okay, again I repeat this thing, highest number minus lowest number. So highest number 22, big number 22. Okay, then for finding out difference we need to put here the negative sign, and then our small number, it is itself have a negative sign, so we need to write in the bracket minus 8. Okay, again this 22 minus minus 8, this minus sign is for the difference. Okay, in difference we need to use subtraction process, and this 8 itself have a negative number, so we need to write in the bracket. Okay, now how can we solve this? First of all, write down this 22. Here we put one bracket. Okay, bracket shows multiplication, or in multiplication if we have two sign negative negative, so minus minus it becomes plus. Okay, or then we have 8, so 22 plus 8 it is 30. Okay, so difference between the hottest and coldest place among the above, it is 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, again 22 minus minus 8. Okay, first of all we need to convert this two sign into single sign. Here bracket, that means multiplication, so minus minus plus, this is the rule for the multiplication, right? Then we have 8. Now 22 plus 8, 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, next is, what is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Okay, what is the temperature of Lahul Spiti? Minus 8. And what is the temperature of Srinagar? It is a minus 3, right? Sorry, minus 2. Okay, initially we find it is minus 2. Now what we need to do? We need to find the difference. So write down here difference. Now in difference, what we need to do? For finding out difference, first of all we need to write big number. Now this 2 answer, which is the bigger number, minus 8 or minus 2? So big number it is minus 2, not minus 8. Okay, because in number line, right hand side number it is always greater than the left hand side number. Okay, right hand side number is always greater than the left hand side number. So right now in this two number, minus 8 and minus 2, minus 2 it is in the right hand side. Okay, so minus 2 is big number, so we need to write our big number first. So minus 2 first of all we need to write. Okay, first of all we need to write minus 2. Now for finding out difference, we need to put here negative sign. We need to use subtraction process. Okay, then we need to write our small number, but our small number itself it is a negative number, so we need to write in the bracket. Okay, again temperature of Lahul Spiti minus 8 and Srinagar minus 2. For finding out difference, first of all we need to write big number. Our big number is minus 2. Okay, it is in right hand side of minus 8, so minus 2 is big number, so first of all minus 2. Then for finding out difference, we need to put here negative sign. Okay, then we need to write our small number, it is minus 8, but it is itself have a negative sign, so that we need to write in the bracket. Okay, first of all this minus 2 as it is, but here we have two sign. Okay, first of all we need to convert this two sign into single sign. Right now bracket that means multiplication. Okay, in multiplication what we need to do? Minus minus plus. Okay, after that we have 8, so minus minus plus 8. Okay, now what we have? Minus 2 plus 8. Okay, so here what we need to do? First of all we need to decide it. Okay, here we have plus sign, here we have minus sign, so plus minus minus, right? Plus minus minus, so we need to use a subtraction process. 8 minus 2, 6. We need to put big number sign. Our big number 8 have positive sign, so we need to put here plus sign, but if we do not write the plus sign, then even it's okay. Okay, so our answer is 6 degrees Celsius. Okay, first of all we need to write big number, so minus 2. Then for difference we need to use subtraction sign. Then minus 8, our small number. First of all minus 2 as it is, this minus minus plus 8. Okay, then here we have what plus sign and minus sign. Plus minus minus, 8 minus 2, 6. Big number sign we need to put here, that is plus 6. Okay, so our answer is plus 6. Okay, then next, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of at Shimla? Okay, it is also less than the temperature at Srinagar. Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Okay. First of all, we need to find the we need to take temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together. Together, that means we need to add this two number. Okay, together that means we need to add this two temperature. So at Srinagar, we have temperature -2, right? And at Shimla, we have temperature 5. Okay, so first of all, together that means we need to add this to temperature. Okay, so temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together is equals to -2. Here we need to do addition process, so +5. Okay, -2 plus 5. We need to add this two number. Okay, now here plus minus minus. Okay, here we have plus sign, here we have minus sign. So plus minus minus, first of all we need to decide which process we need to use here. So plus minus minus, 5 minus 2, it's a 3, and we need to put big number sign. Our big number 5 is positive, so here plus 3. Okay, so temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together, it is +3. Okay, now we need to check with the temperature of Shimla, right? Now temperature of Shimla it is 5, right? Temperature of Shimla it is 5, and here what we need to check, this temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together, it is less than the temperature of Shimla. Yes, this addition is less than the temperature of Shimla 5. Okay, 3 is less than 5, so here our first answer is yes. Yes, temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla. Okay, this addition is less than the 5, that means the temperature of Shimla, so our answer is yes. Then second question, is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Okay, first of all again we need to write this combined temperature, it is 3. Now we need to check with the temperature of Srinagar. Now what is the temperature of Srinagar? It is -2, right? So obviously our positive number is greater than negative number, right? That means this +3 is greater than the -2. Okay, now this +3 means temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together, right? It is not less than the temperature of Srinagar, but it is the greater than the temperature of Srinagar. Okay, this +3 is greater than this -2. So here our answer is no. No, it is not less than the temperature at Srinagar, but it is the more than the temperature of Srinagar. Okay. Again, first of all, we need to add this two temperature, Srinagar and Shimla. Okay, Srinagar temperature it is -2, and Shimla it is +5. Okay, so plus minus minus, 5 minus 2, 3, big number sign positive, so positive. Now we need to check this temperature 3. It is less than temperature of Shimla. Okay, Shimla have temperature 5. So yes, 3 is less than 5. But in second case, we need to check it is also less than the temperature at Srinagar. At Srinagar we have temperature -2. So no, here 3 is greater than -2, not less than. That's why our answer is no. Okay. Here the temperature of unknown. Okay, then difference here we find it 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, here we have difference 6. Here first answer is yes and second answer is no. Okay. Question number 2. In quiz, positive marks are given for the correct answers, negative marks are given for the incorrect answers. If Jack's score in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 10, 15, so what was his total at the end? Okay, total means we need to add these numbers. Okay, for total we need to add these numbers. So first of all we have 25 plus, here itself it is a negative number, so we need to write in the bracket. Okay, so 25 plus -5, okay, plus -10. Okay, this number it is have negative sign, so we need to write in the bracket. Then plus 15 and plus 10. Okay, we need to add these numbers. So 25 plus -5 plus -10 plus 15 plus 10. Okay. Now, first of all, this 25 as it is. Now here we have two signs, so plus minus 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 5. Okay, here even plus minus minus, so minus 10. And after that we have plus 15 and plus 10. Okay. Now here minus 10 plus 10 cancel. Okay, it is 0. Plus 10 minus 10, 0. So we can cut it. Okay, now what is remaining? 25 minus 5, it is 20, right? 25 minus 5, it is 20, plus 15. So 20 plus 15, it is 35. So this is our final answer. Okay, total score of check at the end, it is 35. Okay, for total we need to add these numbers. Here plus minus minus 5, plus minus minus 10, minus 10 plus 10 cancel. Then 25 minus 5, 20, plus 15, 35. Okay. So if you have any doubt in these two questions, so please write down in comment section. I will give you the answer. Okay, thank you.